Maybe you have a Chevrolet vehicle and you can't get your car started and you want to test out, you can't get into your car, it won't unlock or it won't start, and you want to replace that key fob battery. That's typically the most likely problem. You can release that key, you don't have to, you just need to pull that back off. It's definitely easier if you flip the key. Once you've done that, you're going to see that there is a flat piece right here. You're simply just going to push on the battery, push it down, and pull back towards that flat edge. So it'll look like this, push down, pull back, and that's going to release your battery. Boom. You can take your new battery, remember, leave the CR2032 side facing up, and you're going to put it back in the same way. You're going to slide it under that flat edge, push down, and then you're going to slide it back under that lip. That will secure it. Take the back, push it into place, it's locked in place, and you're good to go. Remember, it is easier if you pop your key and pull that out. Hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching, and best of luck.